Giri! What do you mean that I no go see am? Where they go? Giri! Giri!
Uncle.
What do you make anytime why they call you? I know they see you. What do they do for backyard?
I been they play Conco.
You dey play Conco?
Yes.
Nonsense. Come go buy me something. Take this money, buy me cola and bitter cola.
How much?
For that money, buy all. Come quick.
How much be this?
Now 200. Now you know see road.
Okay.
You don't blind. Now wow. Why this boy send me since? You don't pass 2 hours now. I never see him. I been come back and no see him.
Uncle.
Where you keep this kind of face they come back from?
Uncle, they beat me.
They beat you.
They rob me.
They rob you.
They collect all the money that he sent me.
All the money I send you with. They rob you. Then they beat you hard. Where?
There in front.
In front. Let's go there.
Okay. Uncle Naye.
Chai. Naye, we didn't concern with Ben Niger. Can you go where they rob you, Joe?
Uncle Naye, where they rob me, they collect my shoe, collect everything.
Naye, can I come play Ben Niger?
They win me now.
They win you.
Give my shoe so that we collect the money, they drop the shoe up.
Oh my God.
Jesus Lord.
Thank you very much for watching that Funny Love Nation Entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday, see you on Friday. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share the video and comment. But don't use your parent money to play bets. If not, they will rob you.